Sige pa. Mag-asawa pa kayo. What?
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Good morning, guys. The dog is outside. Yes, today is 5th of January. Remember, guys, I made pancake in the other house. Tommy doesn't eat it. I don't know why he doesn't eat my pancake, guys. The dog is out already. Hugs? Ay? Huh? No. But I have to eat, huh? I'm gonna be there soon. I'm just heating the pancake. Yeah. I hope I won't drop you. Hi, Hubs. I don't have a challah bread. Dada is right there already. What happened?
Oh, one of the girls is fine.
Whose girl? Olive?
Yeah. No, the girl.
That's Olive. I'm still curious why that tiger. That's her. The tiger. Guys, did you see a dog that is sleep like this? Look at this. Guys, he sleep like this, he lie down like this. Not really, sometimes he doesn't sleep like this, but... Huh?
And he's a she.
Oh, she, not he. Did you see a dog that, you know, lie down like this? Most of the time, this is her position. So weird, guys. Look at the back legs. Like a frog. Hi, frog. Froggy, frog. Froggy rocks. Froggy rocks. Ignore me now. Do you wanna go froggy out? Froggy out. You wanna froggy out? Oh, froggy out. Why you do that like you doing that tail? That tail. That's a mouse, guys, that did show. That's a bone. That's another toy. Did you bring the thing, hon? The charger for the neck collar?
I did. We put the charger. I took the remote. I drove it.
Oh, the charger is right there. So because they don't listen in this house, they bark everywhere. Did you notice in the other house they don't bark because they're afraid they might like shock like this. I shocked them over there. Not really shocked, as I beeped them. Guys, did you notice, guys? Filipino people. In the daytime, our nose is fine. When we get up, our nose is kinda spreading everywhere. It's flattened. Filipino thing. The people in the Philippines, except if you have a nice nose. As my nose is kinda split every morning, like separated. I breathe really. Because I noticed, ano? Look, split. It's become big and it's like swollen every side. Guys, opening package is not for me. Okay, pack. Oh, yeah, have. Yes, baby, we get a toy. This toy is the Vivatar. I think that's how you called it. Vivatar. And it go with the battery. Actually, it's 2 batteries, 2 packs. But the other one have this charging kit, charging on the back. Yeah. And this one is kinda something wipe or something. Lens. The stream live video to your smartphone, and I hope I know how to drive this.
Sure, it'll crash pretty quick.
family all night. Wow, I need to book some months. Never have to go into the dentist's office. Keep my full smile back, feel confident again. Bye.
Hi guys. Ano pa? Masakit yung lips ko. Alagyan ko lang ng chapstick. Hold on. Anyway guys. May ano lang tension kami ng asawa ko. Ay, ginoo ko. Bakit kasi uminter? Uy, nganong ni-enter? Naka-enter lagi. Sige pa. Mag-asawa pa kayo. Hindi talaga perfect ang mag-asawa guys. Kahit na masaya sa yung dalawa, may mga ano pa rin. There is always something. Marriage is not always fun and perfect. And just like fun, there's always a problem. You know, but you have to deal with it together. If there is an argument, you always have to just like, you know, it's just like me. This time I just very quiet. I just don't say anything. I just don't want to open my mouth. Because every time I open my mouth, it came out whatever I felt. And some people doesn't like it. Whatever you feel, they don't care. It's just hurt them, you know. But it's just life. And yeah, and then later on we'll be okay. It's always like that when you're like married. You guys, if you are married right now and you're watching my vlog, everything is like fine, right? Laughing like that. But a few days later, you know, there's an argument, and then you like you know, you get past to it, and then it's just life, guys. Not everything is perfect. And like Dimple Lurch, she doesn't like to be bothered with her brother. That's the husband that doesn't wanna feed me in the morning. What? That nice eyes with long eyelashes. He's busy watching. Oh, that's wood thing.
Yes, dovetail joints. This is different.
Huh? That's a different now?
It's the same offset slots for the back.
Some boys.
Fit a half-inch dovetail bit in the router table router.
We have.
This bit
I don't know how many dovetail bits. I used to, but I don't anymore.
in stock.
We are not in the talking mode this morning, guys.
Taxi! The most common size of dovetail.
Explain that to them.
No,
Explain it to them.
no, because you are so nice to me that you don't want to feed me.
Uh-huh.
Set the fence so the slots in the center line will be 3
And then suddenly, guys,
from the end of the drawer front.
suddenly I miss his touch, so I have to like hug me, kiss me. Nice. Why they put the screw in there?
What screw?
No, look, did you see that something?
In this?
Screw, yeah.
That's the board that holds it straight.
Hun, you have a lot of nice machine, can do it really easy, honey.
Yeah, it's a router table. I don't have a router table.
Slots in the drawer front for the sides, and it's to move the fence over the top. So just the very top tip of the cutting edge is exposed.
Short-term memory has more
Stand the test piece on edge. And just go back up block security chief. He showed a private investigator.
Do you love me? No.
Yes, hon.
Yes, hub.
Yes, hon. Oi, hub.
What do you want us to do? If it doesn't fit, adjust the fence.
I'm gonna record, and it's recorded. I'm gonna listen it. I love you. Do you want something to eat?
On the sides and back.
Okay. He's gonna keep watching it, and I'm gonna keep taking my bra up. Hey, goodness. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna have some lunch, and I know we have a lot of leftover, guys, like crazy, like a lot of crazy leftover. We can't even close our refrigerator because look, chicken everywhere, chicken on the floor. I threw different kind of food here leftover, and then after the other day it's full again because we just keep cooking. My eyes, every time I talk, it get big, right? Burger. I told Tommy I'm going somewhere, but he said, where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go? I said, I don't know where I'm going. I just gonna give run because we have a little something this morning. I just don't wanna talk. It's better not to talk than just keep talking and make it big. It's nothing really ridiculous. But sa Harbor Freight. May bibilhin lang ni si Tami. What are you looking for?
Think about that for the porch.
For what?
The heater for the porch. 30,000. How much?
Yeah, hon. Heater for the porch. No, we don't need that, hon. Kidding me. Heater daw para sa ano. Pagkatapos naman, bubuto. Nahihilo na ako guys sa kakatuyok. I'm dizzy. Tommy just keep turning around. Like, I just keep following him. I'm dizzy. I don't know what he's looking for. It's boring over here. There's no makeup section.
Yeah, no.
You have a lot of drill bits.
No, it's an extension that they put in my bag and they took.
We're looking for shovel also, guys, but I don't see any shovel here. They don't have it. They don't have it. How do you call that when you're taping? And what is that? Is that like and when you're filming, when you do not filming, when you have a movie, they have this like cut, and then when you started, this is something. Action! Action! It's like abnormal, right? I look like abnormal. That's why you don't love me anymore, because I act
Lights,
abnormal.
camera, action.
That's it. Light, camera, action. Tommy! I know, hon. I know, baby. I act stupid, right, baby? Huh?
They don't even say that anymore. They'll be like, you know, take two.
Take two.
Snap the clapboard.
Yeah.
Got it.
Take two. Action! Mama! Nganong nalibang ka dia? Bawo ka kay! Huh?
Of course, it could get really weird.
Yeah, I know, big boy. So we're heading, guys, to Home Depot, and I don't wanna forget the thing here because
Shovel.
yeah, we need a shovel, and also we need a sodium chloride. That's not what we get in the other house. It's just a salt itself.
Salt and sodium chloride.
Okay, sodium chloride. We got 2 salt at saka yung shovel. Yun ang kinuha namin. So, iwan ko kung ano pa. Ano, what is that? A butt? A reindeer? Now, maghanap muna kami ng ano, guys. Carpet. Carpet na lang. And then we're going home, right?
Yes.
After carpet, okay. Marami silang carpet. I don't like that kind. I like this. I like this, baby. Oh yeah, I like that. Yeah, this is good for the living room. But then we transfer the one that in the dining room, because that one has a little brown. It's kind of different kind of shade of brown. So ano na? You don't like this to replace the living room? No, you don't like it.
What you do? Is I remove the car before putting the paint?
Careful. No, look. Look, it's walking towards you. My God, it's not afraid. Look at guys. Oh, They're not afraid of you. Hi! Hi, birdie birdie! Hi, birdie birdie! Where are you going? Where are you going, birdie birdie? Hi, birdie birdie! Hi, bird! Hello, birdie birdie! Hello, birdie! The bird is not even afraid. Like, it doesn't even run away. It's just walking. It reminds me of like a cat, a little kitten.
I want you to throw them some bread.
Oh, that's why. That's why they're not afraid of people, huh? I guess they're a bird, city bird. They're a bird that live in the city. Bird in the Bronx. They're not afraid of people. Yes. Oh my lordy lord. Oh, ito na kiling baby. She wanna go out. Do you wanna go out? Is that what you want? Okay, let's go out. Guys, Sam is unboxing.
Let's see if it works.
Yeah, he's unboxing his toy. Syntec. It's a Syntec. Ah, telephone call is a company. That's very light. It's plasticky feel.
It's very plasticky.
Oh yeah, you see what's there.
The idea is to see what's inside the wall.
You like that? You're gonna be blinded, Hubs.
You're not looking at the camera though.
Huh?
You're not looking at the screen.
Oh, look at the screen. It's Hubs right there. Hubs is right there. Hubs the bug.
Let's see inside your ear.
On. Oh my god, that's really ugly. Again. Oh my god. I'm here at Target, guys. I'm looking now for... Naghahanap lang ako ng Ziploc bag because we don't have a Ziploc bag in the house. And then after here, I'm going to... Anong tawag dun? Sa make-upan. So guys, nahanap ko na sila. Pero walang malaking box. Maliit lamang ang mga box. Nandito ako sa Maybelline section, guys. Tingnan nyo. Halos empty lahat. They're almost gone of stock. They don't have stock of everything. Look. It's not much. So, I don't know. Look at this. There's nothing. And the other section is full. That's so weird. Gustong gusto ko itong mga decoration dito, guys. Marami silang decoration. So, marami silang pang ano. Ito, gusto ko to. Ang gaganda-ganda ng mga ano. Kasi, pero wala akong mabili kahit isa. Kasi walang pera. Hello, guys. I got out from Target. Bring nothing.
Dog runt.
Huh? Tarjay?
Dog runt.
I end up getting the mascara. They don't have the one that I'm looking for, so ito na lang, guys. Maybelline Fall in Soft. Tom is lying down, taking over the dog's bed. I am cooking a string beans, frozen, and the steak left over. Yeah, stir fry with the steak and garlic and onion.
Girls. Most of my family's big.
What is your favorite food that you remember when you were a kid?
It's kind of like smoky because it's frozen string beans, so that's why it's kind of give smoke, like a fog kind of look. Foggy afternoon. Yeah, it's just simple stir fry. It's not boring like when you just boiled and put salad dressing in it. The Italian salad dressing, that's what we usually do. But if you have leftover meat and then you know you have vegetables, stir fry it, it's good. Hi guys, good evening. It is 8:37 in the evening already. Anyway guys, thank you all guys so much for watching. Oh, I'm gonna insert a shout out to you guys. Shout out to Nathalie Ladisma and to her kids Nath and Junith and her apo, to baby William or William. I think it's William. Thank you sis, thank you for watching. Hi kids. And also shout out to Marilyn Iswila. Hi sis. Ang sa anak niyang babae na si Andrea. Hi Andrea. And also shout out to Manilyn. Hi Manilyn, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Faye Norts. Okay guys, hi guys, I'm going to end this vlog and thank you all guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you tomorrow's vlog. Good night guys, I will see you tomorrow. Hi Abs. Do you want to see night night, Hubby? Do you want to see night night? Night night, Dimps. Night night, Dimpulot. Night night, Abdi Bug. Good night guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye guys. Creationality. You have to put it. It's already? Look, that's the paper jack. Why you put the side